I'm a collector. I love finding inspiring objects that spark my interest, especially rare vintage instruments and antique gadgets. To me, it's not really about how expensive or prestigious something is, but how the designs connect with me on a visceral level. All the things we've dreamed up at Xeric over the past 10 years have been inspired by a mashup of unusual objects and designs I love, combined with completely original concepts that I'm brewing up daily. At Xeric, we aim to create watches unlike any you've seen before. Ironically, in today's world, a watch isn't so much about telling time anymore. The time is all around you, on your computer, your phone, every other device in front of you. But a watch is an expression of who you are and what brings you joy. To celebrate 10 years of Xeric, I wanted to create a watch that's been percolating in my mind for years now. We developed a watch that reflects some of my favorite inspirations and expresses who we are at Xeric. Meet the Vendetta X. An automatic watch with a wandering hour complication and a complete rethinking of what a watch case can be. The Vendetta X case is unlike any other. We've had to rely on the manufacturing know-how we've gained over the past 10 years and then push it to new levels to make it happen. Inspired by vintage concept cars, we created a case with windows to spotlight the dial from every possible angle. The stainless steel is beautifully finished, and each crystal is made from scratch-resistant sapphire glass. The exhibition caseback gives you a view of the movement and automatic rotor that powers the watch. Our proprietary module used for all our wandering hour watches has proven to be precise and reliable. Although it looks complicated, telling the time on the Vendetta X couldn't be easier. Simply look at the bottom window to read where the hour meets the minutes. Each hour, a new hand comes into view, and the top window lets you see where the mechanism rotates the hands. Swiss Superluminova hands and minutes extend readability into the dark, with an impressively lit time display. We are also introducing a new strap design with deep embossed lines made from American tan Horween leather. Back this project and get your limited edition Vendetta X Automatic so you can celebrate 10 years of Xeric in style.